Alright guys, what we have here is 16 Street Glide. Got the factory 47 slip-ons, 32 inch. Very happy with them. I've had them on for about 2 months now, through the winter months. Very happy with the way they turned out. Definitely everything that I expected. For the money, you can't beat it for loudness and the way it sounds at idle. Full open throttle is enough to make anybody happy. So we'll go ahead and start it up. I'll give you a little bit of a taster. Alrighty guys, so again, factory 47 slip-ons, 32 inch straight baggers. Very happy with them. Great job, factory 47. I'll be looking for some apes here before too long. Appreciate it.